everyone! Today I want to talk about the car alarm system. Do you still using the remote control to lock and unlock your car? Today I tell you this is already out of fashion. Here I will introduce you a new product. Bluetooth car alarm system. You may ask, what is Bluetooth car alarm system? Don't worry, I will introduce you one by one. Firstly, we have an application for you to download. Look here. Through this QR code, you can download the application and it supports Android and iOS, so all the smartphone can work with. For example, now I have already downloaded the application in my phone. Look here. Here is the application interface. It has lock, unlock, trunk release, mute. Till now, I think you understand what this application used for. Yes, it can replace one of the remote controller. You can imagine when other people use the remote controller to lock and unlock the car door by the remote controller. But you just take out your smartphone, open the Bluetooth, and open the application, then you can lock and unlock the car. Isn't it a fashion function? And this car alarm system we specially designed for Latin American market. It has pin switch and it has 4 jumpers. Also, it has a lot of program functions. The most important is it has Spanish menu. Okay, I think now you may have the most important and final question for this car alarm system. How many the smartphone you can program? The answer is 4. You can program 4 smartphone or you can program 4 remote controller. The maximum is 4. And the program way is very easy. The way how you learn the remote controller with the alarm system is the same way as you learn the smartphone with the alarm system. Okay, here is the new products that I want to introduce you today. If you like new and fashion products, I think Bluetooth is the choice. If you're interested in these products, please contact us.